Introducing Galvanized Scaffolding System, built for strength, durability, and safety. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, our scaffolding is hot-dip galvanized to prevent rust and corrosion. Perfect for construction sites, maintenance work, and high-rise buildings, it offers quick assembly, solid stability, and long-lasting performance. From frames and braces to anchor nuts and base jacks, every component is manufactured with precision engineering and quality assurance. Trust our scaffolding system for your next project, where safety meets efficiency. Contact us today to learn more or request a quote.